Lucidspark cards for Smartsheet allows teams to merge creative ideation with structured planning. With this integration, you can brainstorm visually in Lucidspark while seamlessly integrating with the Smartsheet platform to help your team stay aligned, manage projects, and automate workflows to save time and build flexible solutions to meet the needs of your team. All right, imagine you've just finished brainstorming and organizing your team's ideas with tagging and sorting. Now, you'll need to add these new items to your Smartsheet project. Forget the copying and pasting. You'll be able to take your brainstorming sessions from the Lucidspark whiteboard to action items within your Smartsheet projects by converting Lucidspark shapes into Smartsheet tasks. Before you can transfer any objects over to your Smartsheet project, you'll need to authenticate the Smartsheet integration. Don't worry, you'll only have to do this once. To authenticate Lucidspark into the Smartsheet platform, highlight the shapes you want to add to the Smartsheet project and right-click. Select Add to Smartsheet from the toolbar. A pop-up menu will then appear asking you to sign in. Select Allow to grant Lucidspark access to your Smartsheet platform. Once authenticated, choose the existing Smartsheet project you'd like to add to using the drop-down caret. Once you find the sheet you'd like to add to, click Add to Smartsheet. You can select one Smartsheet per Lucidspark board. And just like that, with a few clicks, your shapes will be converted into separate tasks in your Smartsheet project. Avoid recreating tasks, losing information, and project discrepancies with a bidirectional sync between Lucidspark and the Smartsheet platform. When you convert a shape into a Lucidspark card, you can update fields such as status, due date, categories, or assignees within one platform, and it will automatically populate in the other. Pro tip: press Save in Smartsheet after making edits to see the changes synced more quickly. After brainstorming, and as projects progress and mature, the Lucidspark and Smartsheet integration will allow you to visualize changes and progress by allowing you to import the rest of your Smartsheet data into Lucidspark. Access your Smartsheet projects from Lucidspark and select the tasks you'd like to import. Note: if the Lucidspark board is already connected to a Smartsheet project, then imports can only come from that one Smartsheet project. Lucidspark will then do the heavy lifting for you and import your tasks into a board to rearrange, edit, and visualize work on a virtual infinite canvas. Lucidspark Cards for Smartsheet gives teams the solutions they need to ideate and visualize projects, collaborate effectively, and turn brainstorm sessions into plans to ensure everyone is aligned in order to reach their goals.